Some students accomplish tasks much quicker than others. The difference is their use. Introducing 5 AI websites that most students overlook. Welcome to our channel, where we explore studying smarter and self-improvement. Subscribe for more insights into study techniques and productivity. We focus on study tips, productivity, self-improvement, and AI. First up is Gamma. Gamma saves you precious time on presentations. Simply type your topic and watch it generate slides in minutes. Gamma makes presentations quick and easy. Next is Perplexity. Ask questions and receive direct answers with sources included. It's perfect for quick school research. Perplexity enhances your research speed. Now, let's talk about Notion AI. Notion AI organizes your notes and helps manage your tasks. Use Notion AI for effective study organization. Next up is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs transforms text into lifelike audio. It's a great tool for content creators and audio learners. ElevenLabs offers advanced text-to-speech capabilities. Finally, we have Wolfram Alpha. Wolfram Alpha is an intelligent math and science assistant. It solves problems and generates helpful graphs. Wolfram Alpha is essential for science students. Let's quickly summarize what we covered. Gamma is great for presentation slides. Perplexity aids in research and information retrieval. Notion AI helps organize your studies efficiently. ElevenLabs excels in converting text to speech. And Wolfram Alpha is perfect for math and science queries. Each tool saves time and increases productivity in its unique manner. Which website caught your attention the most? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more study and productivity tips.